15 amazing health benefits of papaya seeds that you should know. Papaya fruit is widely known for its taste, nutrition, and health benefits, but not many people are aware of the immensely beneficial papaya seeds that are usually thrown away. These tiny round seeds are actually edible and are good for our health if consumed in a limited quantity. They help in weight management, relieve menstrual pain, and possess anti-cancer properties. Papaya seeds are black and have a shiny, wet, and slimy covering. If you remove this covering, you can feel the rough black seeds. They are slightly bitter and peppery in taste. You can consume them by drying and grinding. Health benefits of papaya seeds are: 1. May help with dandruff control.
Dandruff usually has a fungal origin, particularly the Malassezia fungus. The papaya fruit and seeds have been shown to have strong antifungal properties. This may be useful when applied to the hair and scalp and reduce or prevent the development of dandruff. Use a hair pack or scrub that contains papaya seed extract to try this benefit out.
2. Supports dengue treatment.
Dengue is a virus transmitted by mosquitoes. It affects the platelets in your blood and begins destroying healthy platelets too. Papaya seeds have been shown to improve platelet counts in animal studies. Hence, apart from the previous health benefits of papaya seeds, they can be also useful as a support for your dengue recovery.
3. Cures food poisoning.
Research has shown that preparing and consuming an extract of papaya seeds can help to successfully kill bacteria like E. coli, Salmonella, Staphylococcus, etc., which are responsible for most cases of food poisoning.
4. Manage liver cirrhosis.
Papaya seeds have also been known to contain the vital nutrients necessary to help manage diseases like liver cirrhosis. Consuming 3 to 4 papaya seeds, crushed and mixed with lime juice on a daily basis, can help in the treatment and recovery of liver cirrhosis.
5. Relieves menstrual pain.
Papaya contains keratin, and this substance is essential in helping the body regulate the production of a hormone known as estrogen. While papaya seeds can help induce menstruation and also increase its frequency, they can also help to some degree in managing menstrual cramps.
6. Antibacterial.
Papaya seeds protect our body from bacteria like Staphylococcus aureus, Shigella dysentery, Salmonella typhi, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Escherichia coli, etc.
7. Good for our skin.
Papaya seeds exhibit anti-aging properties. They maintain the elasticity of our skin and thus prevent the development of fine lines and wrinkles.
8. Reduces inflammation.
Papaya seeds are proven to be effective in reducing inflammation. Papaya seeds are rich in vitamin C and compounds like alkaloids, flavonoids, and polyphenols. All these Compounds exhibit anti-inflammatory properties. They are thus useful in preventing and reducing inflammation in diseases like gout, arthritis, etc.
9. Maintains cardiovascular health.
Papaya seeds protect our hearts. These seeds are rich in various antioxidants that protect our bodies from free radical damage. They also help to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, which protects our heart from various disorders.
10. Nephroprotective.
Papaya seeds protect our kidneys from damage. Consumption of papaya seeds ensures the smooth functioning of our kidneys.
11. Anti-cancer properties.
Papaya seeds contain polyphenols that are powerful antioxidants. They prevent our body from different types of cancers. Papaya seeds also contain isothiocyanate, which inhibits the formation and development of cancer cells.
12. Lowers cholesterol levels.
Papaya seeds are rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, like oleic acid. These fatty acids regulate cholesterol levels by reducing bad cholesterol, LDL cholesterol. Papaya seeds are also rich in fiber. Fiber helps in reducing cholesterol levels in the body. Thus, consuming papaya seeds helps in maintaining healthy cholesterol levels in our bodies.
13. Helps in weight loss.
Papaya seeds are rich in fiber. They keep our digestion on track, thus helping in the removal of toxins from our bodies. They also help in regulating our metabolism and prevent our body from absorbing fat. This helps in preventing obesity.
14. Healthy gut.
Papaya seeds are rich in fiber. They regulate our bowel movements, removing toxins from the body and thus maintaining a healthy gut. They are helpful in constipation. Carpane present in papaya. Seeds kills bacteria and parasites in our intestines and thus keep our digestive system healthy.
15. Powerful antioxidant.
Papaya seeds are rich in polyphenols, flavonoids, alkaloids, tannins, and saponins. They are strong antioxidants. Antioxidants protect the body from damage by free radicals, protecting us from a variety of diseases.
If you like this video, kindly please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more videos and updates. Thank you.
Thanks for watching.